Hey guys, Jason Guyman here with Christmas Lights Community. So today I want to talk to you about how we can plug a timer in when there's not enough room to plug a timer in. And I'll show you what I mean here shortly. But hey, please go down and subscribe to my channel down here. I'm getting close to 1,000. I'm trying to hit 1,000 before Christmas. So I'd really appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel. So let's get on to what you're here for. So right here, you can see in this outlet that our timer is not going to fit in there because the way these are designed, this will not fit over top of another plug with this one here. So we're not going to be able to plug two of them in right here. So what we can do is what I do is I come here, make a nice little short extension cord that will plug right in there to it, just like so. Now it gives me a female right here. So the next problem we run into is our cable that we use is only 2-wire. So that means there's not a ground plug for this. So I'll show you how we fix that. Like I say, we are not designed, our plugs are not designed, that SPT2 is not designed with a ground wire, the third wire. So Christmas lights don't use the ground wire. What's that designed to do is so you have power coming out and you have power, or you have a negative, the ground coming back. And that's another ground. Actually, you have a neutral coming back, which most of it comes back to that. But there is a ground in case something would happen, it can short out there. So Christmas lights don't have that. So we can do one of two things. What we do is you take this, and sometimes you can take your thumb here and bend it over, and I can't. Or we take a pair of cutters and bend this over and break this off. Just like so. Then we'll come down here, plug this right in. Now, on our timer, we turn it on, and we have power right here with the little red lights on. So I'm going to plug in my Christmas lights now and make sure they came on, and they did. So now we're going to set these to all night long because we're at an HOA and they want them on all night long. What the heck's wrong with these timers? There we go. Make sure it works still. Yeah. The next thing I always do is I always try to keep this kind of out of the weather a little bit. I just don't want it out here. I mean, it works out there, but the less chance I can keep water out of that, the better off we are. So that way we don't have issues later on down the road. So if you would like to learn how to put Christmas lights on a tall tree, please check out this video. If you would like to learn how to put lights on a house with a steep roof, check out this video right here. Thank you and have an awesome day.